I'm shook. Whoa. You gotta be kidding me. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm LJ with today's adventure stop, and we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Hover Air X1 autonomous drone. But before we get into it, do me a favor and subscribe down below. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Give this video a nice like and thumbs up because it helps to share this video with more awesome people like you from throughout the world. Hey, thanks. So this here is the Hover Air X1. And what's really awesome about it is it folds up really small, almost like two cell phones, about the size of two cell phones, and it fits right into your pocket. It doesn't require any remotes, and apparently it can take off from your hand and land in your hand. We're about to find out. Are you ready for today's adventure? Come on, let's go. And at the time of ordering this, I got this as a Black Friday special. It came with the actual drone, color black, and 3 batteries. Let's check this out. All right, there's that. The battery charging hub. 1 battery, 2 batteries. Third battery in there. All right. This is what we're dealing with. So as we dive into this here is the battery charging hub, and it looks like it fits 2 of the batteries and charges with a USB-C connector. The battery here, that's proprietary for this unit. It looks like it has those little pins right up in there that charges with this unit. It slaps right in, woo, like that, just like that. Now, the piece of resistance, the Hover Air X1. This is exciting. And there, just kidding, and there it is. Would you take a look at that? Isn't that crazy? Woo! It's so small. That's what she said. I'm shook. This thing is absolutely amazing. It has a few sensors there for landing and taking off. So all the programmable buttons are right up in here, and it uses an app which we'll download shortly here. Whoa, would you take a look at that? Let's check this out. And so I was scratching my head for a sec. I was like, wait a minute. 1 battery, 2 batteries. Where's the third? It's already in the drone. So 3 batteries it is. Also, if you're wondering what else is in the box, is a little charging cable. It actually doesn't come with the charging brick or plug, and a soft little cloth. Ooh. So next we're gonna go onto the App Store so that we can hook this up to this awesome autonomous drone. So right here, you'll find Hover X1, the self-flying camera. Let's go ahead and boop, boop, install it. And I don't know about you, but I'm a little skeptical. I'm like, there's no way this thing for right around $400 can really do what it says it does. And look at that camera. I mean, would you take a look at that? It's so tiny, and how can you really squeeze out 4K 30 frames per second or 1080p at 60 frames per second in that little thing? And that's exactly what I was looking for, because my old drone was a DJI and it took a crap on me. And truth be told, I bought it from my friend Adam the Woo, and it served its purpose. It was great, but the battery crapped out not once but twice, and now the controller went out, so I figured it's time for a new one. And I didn't really use it that much either, but this one, since we started a new chapter, here we go. I'm gonna use this quite a bit. And there we are. We're gonna open up the Hover app and agree with it. And it looks like we have to create an account and log in. And at first glance, I'm still kind of just opening this app here, and it's very much similar to like the GoPro app. And it's kind of where you can kind of share your experiences, share your really rad videos on the home page. But we'll create an account, log in, and see how this little thing works. And here it says, do not fly in the following environments: low light situations, the ground texture is not clear, water surfaces, or large height variance. Did they say anything about inside? I'm gonna try it anyway.
Please connect to your phone and activate your device with the Hover app.
It says it wants to connect. Take a look at that. It's lighting up, it's doing things. Activate. And look, you can access the microphone, so I know you're gonna hear mostly the bzzz drone sound. So actually you can hook it up to your wireless device and talk to it while it's flying, so you're not getting the bzzz sound of normal drones. And according to the app here, these are all the settings you can control and play with all of the different options on there to your heart's desire. And it comes with a tutorial where it walks you through the whole process, which is really neat. Because who likes to crash their drone on the first flight, right? I'm shook! Whoa! You gotta be kidding me! This thing is awesome, it's amazing! Should you buy it? Heck yes, this thing is rad. But of course, this is the adventure stop, so we gotta take this someplace exciting, right? Here we go! So here at the Grand Canyon, you're not allowed to fly drones, but this is private tribal land, and with the permission of the administration office, you can do certain things. And so this here is not a drone, it's actually classified as an autonomous selfie camera. So check it out, it's the Hover Air X1. So if you like today's video, give it a nice like and thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, welcome, do me a favor and subscribe down below, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Hey, so I'm LJ with today's Hey, I'm LJ.